And what is this? We are going to be building my first keyboard, my first mechanical keyboard, and actually the only keyboard because I don't currently have a keyboard. The rules are very, very simple. We have this huge mystery box over here, and as you can kind of see, it says keyboard stuff, which contains all the material to build one mechanical keyboard. And this is assembled by my friend Chris.
Hey guys, my name is Chris. I think everyone, especially in tech, should have a custom keyboard. I hope she can manage.
Does this even, it doesn't fit. Wait, this doesn't even make any sense. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. No. No.
Yeah.
Oh no. BRB having an aneurysm. I'm gonna try to figure out how to actually build a mechanical keyboard, but making sure that I don't just spend 5 hours watching tutorials online. I'm gonna have 3 lifelines in which I can ask my friend Chris over here to help me out when I get stuck. So let us get started. Where are the scissors? Okay, I can first guess what it is, and you can tell me if I'm right or not. Is this a switch?
Yes, those are the switches.
You know in the keyboard videos, they always go like that with the switches?
And they
Yeah, should I do it?
fan.
Should I do it? Yeah, why don't you do it? I'll shoot from the camera.
Oh, the colors gonna look nice, the contrast.
Wow. Now we gotta pick it up. Next up. Plating?
Yeah, that's a keyboard plate. So we're gonna just replace the stock one with this one because it has a better sound, in my opinion. So I hope you get to appreciate it as well.
Right. Okay, we will get to that one.
And it's a brass.
It's
shiny.
Very shiny. Very good. It's very high. It feels very high quality though.
It is.
A cable? Okay.
Premium cable.
A premium cable. Okay, I see. What's the difference between a premium cable and a non-premium cable?
I guess it's just the premium part.
I see. Really heavy. This is heavy. I assume this is what is the actual, like, what is it called? Like a base? Oh my god, it's so hefty. It's actually so hefty. I want you guys to hear like the actual clickiness right now. I think it's pretty good. Is it not good? So why do we need to replace it?
So we're gonna make a video of this.
This is already pre-built, so I could just, I think we're done. I think we're done. Let's wrap it up. All right, bye guys. Good video. Wow. All right. So these are the keycaps, I assume.
Pikachu?
It's a Pikachu keycap. Where's the scissors? Custom. Ooh, I think I know what this is. Okay, let's do this one first. Let's do this one first. Wow. Guys, this is very special. Wow. Okay, this is an amazing touch. Oh my god, thank you so much. Chris actually put together the entire box. I had no idea what was inside it. Again, reminder, 3 lifelines. How big are my lifelines?
I guess it should be instructed because I'm supposed to be your instructor.
Can you demonstrate something? That's okay, that's a lifeline.
Yeah, where do you think you should get started?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, where, like, what do I even get started with? Okay, so the plate inside, I assume is gonna be, I'm supposed to replace it with this. What? I really, does this even, it doesn't fit. Do I need to spread it apart? I don't know. Okay, and then, wait, do I just pull it? Or... We're done! So what I think I'm supposed to do now is remove this plate. Or should I remove the switches first? Wait, this doesn't even make any sense. No, it's definitely the other way around. Like this.
So how do you remove the switches?
I think I removed the switches using these. Like this. Or something like that. I did a master's in computer science. I know this. Am I allowed to Google stuff? No, I guess that's not cool.
That's cheating.
Yeah, that's cheating.
That's
I
cheating.
can't Google stuff.
And champions do not cheat.
When did I say I was a champion? I'm not a champion. I'm just a lowly data scientist. Lifeline. Cue the lifeline B-roll. I don't know what that looks like. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to take out the switches.
Okay, so you use the same tool. This is for taking the keycaps, and this is for taking the switches. This is like a small clamp. It's kind of hard at the beginning because you gotta get the angle right, but I don't know,
wow.
I don't know if you can see that there's like small wings that they have here. You're gonna definitely be able to press the bottom one. So you just press as hard like this and just.
So can I use the rest of my lifetime for you to do all of it for
Oh
me?
wow, no. I wanna see you get one off.
Yay!
80 more to go.
What's the average time to remove a switch?
Should be less than 10 seconds.
Less than 10 seconds?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it takes me 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes per switch. Oh, I got one more out. I'm not damaging the screen.
Tina likes yellows. We went for the yellow keycaps and the yellow switches. They're called Dixie, I guess. Taxi. I also consider making this build with Holy Pandas, but I felt like in the end it wouldn't fit Tina's color scheme of preference. I know this is gonna be well hidden behind the keycap, but you know, it all ties together at the end.
So what did you consider when deciding what to put in the mystery box?
At first I went for the what they call the artisans. What you saw, the Pikachu and Obito. Since you told me that you like Naruto, that there's some keycaps from Naruto in Amazon, so it was pretty easy to get them. I always see that you buy yellow stuff. Like this one, let me lie. And that's Boopie's favorite color, if I remember. While Tina struggled with that, I guess I can show mine. One of my latest additions to my keyboard collection is the direct competition from Keychron K1. It's a KMK Pro from Glorious. This is when I want to do something more ergonomic. It's a split keyboard, what they call. So this one it's a Moonlander from CCA.
So how do we choose the base?
The thing that sold it the most was that they were able to put your customized badge on it. There are two types of keycaps in the market. Ones are ABS plastic and the other ones are PBT. ABS keycaps tend to have a higher price. PBT ones are like very flat at the bottom. ABS keycaps, they have this pattern below.
Done. Last one. Okay. Next step. I'm also not actually sure why we need a plate. Is it just for weight reasons, or is it? It's not for sound, I think, because the clicky part is here. I'm trying to think right now. Alright, I'm gonna use a LIFELINE.
So I don't know if you can see on the video, but this thing already has a plate, but it's an aluminum plate. It's very high pitch, or at least in my opinion. What I like switching to brass plates is because it makes a deeper sound. It has some more weight to it, and it looks fancier. What we need to do is disassemble the keyboard.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're going loosey, loosey, loosey. Wait, that's righty. Wait, lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Yeah, if you're in the solar hemisphere, it changes because of Earth's gravity. Tony, please edit that out. That's a joke.
Whoa, this is what it looks like? Dude, does my lifeline cover what I'm supposed to do now?
So the first thing we need to do is actually unblock the PCB. And we're gonna have to unscrew the plate.
We're trying to unscrew only the yellow ones over here and not the other ones. So only unscrew the yellow ones, Tina. You can do it. Not the white ones, only the yellow ones. Why can't we unscrew the white ones?
The white ones are the stabs. Pretty much they're called stabs because they're stabilizers and they hold the large keys together. So it's there, when you press on them, they don't rattle too much. Now we detach the other brass plate.
Please don't kill me that he's helping me with this. I would not have known that.
This is one of the parts that I don't like messing with glue and foam. It prevents the plate from bouncing inside the case.
There is one more screw left. Huh? Yay! Chris is literally getting tired just from watching me. How do you feel, Chris? Well, you want to give an update?
I'm a man of no words.
What?
I speak through my actions.
But you're not doing anything right now.
Exactly.
So I have one more lifeline left, and I know I'm gonna use it for this part. What I'm gonna do is the lubing part, but I think you're telling me first I need to figure out how to open it, right?
Yeah.
Dude, what the heck?
You can do it. You can.
Use our tiny brain. Muster up all our brain cells. Brute force method. This is how you lead code, by the way. Brute force method, everything.
Yeah. That's how you get into FAANG companies.
Yeah, that's how you get into a FAANG company. You just brute force it. This is just like, I feel like I'm cheating so much at this point. It's just like, I don't know.
They're made of the housing, which is the blue part here. And they're made of the stem, which is the yellow part. We have the stem, we have the spring, and this thing I forgot what it's called. Luckily for us, these ones, they come pre-looped.
Do they actually?
I think so.
Let's look it up.
I think they're not pre-looped.
Cue the mental breakdown B-roll now. Actually, you don't even have to cue it because it's going to happen now.
A few moments later.
No!
Like,
No!
yeah. 82 switches we're gonna have to loop.
What do you want for dinner?
I was gonna have to be a very expensive dinner.
I feel like we're gonna get judged so hard.
But I can feel grease in my...
But it's the thing is not.
I can feel grease.
I think
on
it's
my
like
hand.
phantom grease.
I'm gonna go wash my hands thoroughly. If it's not grease from my
This is, I'm pretty sure this is just us like really not wanting to lube it.
Market.
Yeah, it's like we're just.
Definitely comes
But
further.
Esteta is not.
No, it was a guy in the comments, so he's wrong. It definitely has something.
You're wrong. Alright.
Berry is light, but it has something.
Like, what's the clicky ratio?
Beep.
Beep beep.
Oh, he's gonna.
Ah! Goodbye. Alright, so now what I have to do, I believe, is I need to put all of these here and I just need to put everything in. Okay, this is actually after I do that, I'm excited again.
Ideally, we should make sure that the keyboard works, like right now. And turn it to Windows.
Windows.
Let's see if it works.
Oh my god, it's gluey. Yay! So first off, we put Obito on.
No, don't put it there.
That's it, we're done. Obito. Let's make Obito the space bar.
No, it cannot be the space bar.
But my logo goes on escape.
No. Hey, actually, I forgot about the logo. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, no. No, we need to put it apart. It has a special way of putting it.
After, oh no. I have to take all the switches out again.
No. No, oh my god, no.
BRB having an aneurysm.
Oh, I think actually, yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I think we just need to take this off.
This is like my 8th lifeline. How much food do I owe you at this point? No!
Oh no, wait. I think.
Is it bad if we lose the screw?
Yeah.
Like, how bad is it if we lose the screw? I needed to mount the logo prior to actually putting in the rest of the keycap. So we have to unscrew everything again and then put it in the keycap. I feel like I'm gonna cherish and love this keyboard so much because...
Oh, please tell me that it's gonna fit. Yeah.
F2. The finished product. Alright, we're gonna test this out at a later time. I'm gonna go take a nap.